Hi, everyone. Today we're diving into an in-depth technical analysis of Tesla stock. Could Tesla stock be gearing up for its next big rally? Or are we looking at another false breakout? With bullish candlestick patterns, rising momentum, and some mixed signals from key technical indicators, Tesla's closing price on January 13th, 2025 offers plenty to analyze. Today, we'll break down what the charts are telling us and whether Tesla's a buy, hold, or sell right now. Let's jump right in. Tesla has been a market mover for years, and today's analysis is all about the technicals. From RSI to Bollinger Bands, MACD, and more, we're looking at the data to understand what's happening under the hood. Let's kick things off with the short-term momentum. The RSI is sitting at 51.14, slightly above the neutral 50 mark, which signals a cautiously bullish stance. Add to that the presence of bullish candlestick patterns like the closing Marubozu and long line candle, and we've got strong evidence of short-term buying pressure. These patterns suggest that buyers are stepping in and could push the stock higher. However, while short-term momentum looks solid, we'll need to see confirmation in the longer-term trends. Now, moving on to the MACD. Here's where things get a little tricky. The MACD line is currently below the signal line, and the histogram is showing negative momentum. That's a bearish signal. However, there's some good news. The MACD histogram is losing its downward strength, hinting at a potential reversal. The price is also above the 200-day EMA, a key indicator of long-term bullish trends. This is why it's essential to approach this cautiously. While the short-term signals look promising, the MACD suggests we might not be out of the woods yet. Looking at the bigger picture, the moving averages and Bollinger Bands tell us more about the long-term outlook. The 20-day SMA is above the 50-day SMA, and both are above the 200-day EMA. This alignment supports a sustained bullish trend, and the current price of $403.31 being well above the 200-day EMA reinforces this optimism. However, there's a potential resistance point to watch. The price is below the Bollinger middle band, which could act as a short-term ceiling. Breaking above this level would be a strong bullish signal. Another indicator to watch is the stochastic oscillator. The %K line has crossed above the %D line and is moving upwards from oversold territory. This is a classic bullish reversal signal. Combine this with the candlestick patterns we've seen, it is clear that Tesla's short-term momentum is gaining traction. But as always, we need to keep an eye on resistance levels, particularly around the 20-day SMA. Tesla's stock is also showing increased volatility with an ATR of 23.57%. While this means bigger price swings is not necessarily a bad thing, it can signal opportunities for both traders and long-term investors. The on-balance volume, or OBV, is another encouraging sign. It's trending upwards, indicating strong accumulation and buying pressure. This aligns with the bullish candlestick patterns and adds confidence to the ideal that Tesla could see further gains in the near term. Now, let's talk about the risks. Despite the bullish momentum in the short term, the MACD's bearish signals and the price's position below the Bollinger middle band suggest some potential headwinds. High ATR values also mean we could see sharp price swings, so it's important to manage risk carefully. And don't forget, Tesla's technicals are strong, but external factors like market conditions and news can quickly shift the sentiment. So, what does this all mean for investors? Based on the current technical setup, 1. For short-term traders, there's a cautiously bullish outlook, especially with the stochastic oscillator signaling a reversal and the price holding above the 200-day EMA. Keep an eye on resistance levels and consider setting stop-loss orders to manage risk. 2. For long-term investors, the alignment of the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving averages suggests a strong foundation for continued growth. The upward trend in OBV further supports a positive long-term view. This could be an opportunity to add to positions, but it's important to monitor for any bearish developments. My final take? Tesla stock is showing promising signs of a recovery, but the mixed signals from the MACD and Bollinger Bands mean caution is key. If you're considering a position, stay informed and prepared to adapt to changing conditions. And don't forget, For a deeper dive into Tesla's technicals and comparisons with other top stocks, visit applestockai.com. We've got interactive charts, AI-driven insights, and everything you need to make informed decisions. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow investors. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.